Well, hey guys, we're down here in the Florida Keys, and you're going to join me as we cross the 7-mile bridge. Yep, that's the 7-mile bridge that goes over the ocean. We're going to do it on a motorcycle. Let's go now. Yeah, I've been down to the Keys about 4 or 5 times. Always did this ride over the bridge, but did it in a car. Let me tell you guys, it's a total different experience when you're on a motorcycle. Yeah, you experience the wind like nothing else. I know they said today was going to be gusty and windy, but I didn't think it'd be like this. Over to the right, notice the old bridge. This part of it you can walk out on and go fishing. They've kept this part in good repair. This is on both ends of the bridge. But as you get a little farther down, you're going to see a place that turns into kind of an island. I think it's called Pigeon Island or Pigeon Key maybe. But anyway, we're going to get down here and you're going to see how the bridge stops. And there's a big part missing and nobody can go on that. Okay, so the wind today, guys, is something else. All right, at times you're going to see my bike move, okay? I'm going to get pushed over to the right. That wind is crazy, and these big gusts keep coming and hitting me from the left. I keep thinking one good gust, and I'm going over into the water. Okay, if you guys like this shot, this is a 360 mounted 3 feet high on the back of my bike, okay? Kind of a weird perspective. And if you look through this one, you can see I'm kind of crouched down. I'm trying to break out of that wind, or stay out of that wind anyway. Crazy. So here I am, guys, on my dream ride. Yep, this was on my bucket list. Fly into Miami, rent a motorcycle, and go down to Key West on it. And here it is, guys, doing it. So the old bridge over here to the right that they keep in repair and they let people fish off of, no cars are allowed on there. It's sagging. All right, we're coming up on Pigeon Key, guys. All right, this is where the bridge is going to end, and then they cut away a section from the other side, and then it's all that broken down bridge, guys. But it's kind of cool in a weird way. Take a guess what this bridge cost to make. $45 million, guys. In today's money, it would cost $120 million. So this bridge, it opened May 24th, 1982, guys. Took them 4 years to build this. That old bridge, they built that in 1909, and they finished that one in 1912. This bridge was also in a bunch of movies, guys. It was in Roadhouse, License to Kill, my favorite, True Lies, let's see, Too Fast, Too Furious, and Burn Notice. So watch for it in those movies, guys, and see if you can see it. Alright guys, keep your eye out on that old bridge and look for the tree. Yep, big trees growing out there. Crazy. It's kind of weird. Nature always finds a way, right? Okay, if you keep watching this part of the bridge, you're going to see where the old section is cut away and they kept the other section in good repair. That way people can head out there and go fish. Sightsee. Alright, I see land ahead, guys. We're going to be landing on Little Duck Key. Alright, we started on Knight's Key, is where this starts, and ends on Little Duck Key.